Welcome back. So we are going to complete our tutorial on Canva. So now go back to your Chrome, or you go back to the app, then you type in canva.com. Type in canva.com. So like I said, you can use it for logo, flyers, posters. If you want to do a branding, whether for a small scale business or a large scale business or a company, just head to your Canva. Then let's design a logo. Let's say logo for what do you want to design now? Photo. Let's say studio logo. Studio logo. So it's going to bring you different templates. Can you see there are a lot of templates you can use? There are so many templates you can use. Then you just need to choose one. Let's choose this one. Like I said, you see all those places where you have crown, they are paid. You have to pay for them. But you see all these ones without a crown, you can use it for free. Free is a free template. So let's choose this one. Let's wait for it to take us to the interface where we are going to edit. So you can edit anything on the template, the image, the text, the background color, whatever it is that you want to change. So now let's put into practice. It's still loading. We are going to change the studio. Let's change it to uh Davidson. Davidson. Can you see the name is bigger than the space? So we are going to expand the space by clicking on this. Expand. Can you see Davidson? Let's choose which name can we use? Let's use Beckham. Can you see the name is also bigger? You first click on empty space to remove that bracket, like to leave that place. Then you go back to it, click on it, then you expand. Davidson Beckham photography. See, you can change the color. Can you see color here? See color here. You can change the color to anything. You can change the color. You can even change the color of the background by clicking on the background. Can you see that it has show line around the corner? You can change the background, change to whatever you want. Can you see? You can change. You can click on this image. You can change it anyhow you want it, or you can even remove it completely and use another one. You can change it and use another one. Then if you want to save, don't forget when you click on, you see these three dots here, these three dots at the top, you click on it. Can you see here? Download. So if you are downloading for social media posts, you see, don't do as PNG. You go to you click on it, then you click on JPEG. This JPEG is if you just want to be sharing it on social media. But if you want to print it as this JPG is for social media posts. If you just want to be posting on social media, but if you want to print as banner or as flyer, you use PDF print. You save it as PDF print. Then you click on download. Can you see? So whenever you want to go and print it out, you use the PDF format to print it out so that it won't be blur. Then if it's just you want to post it on social media, you click on download, then you click on JPG, download. So that is how to download on Canva. So kindly let me know if there's any question or if there's any thing you want me to explain further for you. There are a lot of things on this app, so the more you use it, the more you understand it. So keep on practicing. Thank you.